Welcome to day 4 of 12 days of content creation tips. I'm sure you've heard that video is the best way to accelerate the know, like, and trust factor with a potential client. And it's true, video is the next best thing to you. But today I'm not here to talk about creating video content. I'm here to talk about profile videos. Yes, I know, profile videos are gone. When I saw that mine had finally disappeared, I was sad for sure. But if you'd like to accelerate that know, like, and trust factor on your profile, there is a workaround. All you need to do is record a meet me video that's 1 to 2 minutes, preferably closer to 1. You can talk about who you are and what you do, and have a little call to action at the end. Might be to follow you, might be to set up a call, whatever works best for you. And you don't have to say your name because they are on your profile after all. Once you've recorded that video, you can simply upload it to YouTube or another platform like Vimeo, and then put that link in the featured section of your profile. So take a few minutes over the next few days and record that video, because there's nothing to help accelerate that know, like, and trust factor better. And I'll be back tomorrow with another content creation tip.